It was such a different time back then, dear. We used to take that old Greyhound everywhere, you know.
Let's see if this $300 beast can still move.
All right, easy. Pull it forward, slow. Keep it coming.
Letting some light into this 1985 International. The cabin is a time capsule. Finally back at the shop. This 1985 International 9000 is about to undergo a massive transformation.
We're using a high-acid cleaner to eat through the salt deposits. It's tough, but the metal underneath is still solid.
Body work is done. The 1985 International 9000 is ready for her new color. You won't believe what's coming.
She's clean, she's raw, and she's ready. The rebirth of this 1985 International has officially begun.
Here comes the soul. This 1985 International is finally getting its true colors back.
Mission accomplished. From a rusted ghost to the king of the road, this 1985 International is ready for the next million miles.
Please subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and like this video.